So now let's see how we can put a video inside title inside of guided edit mode. So over here you can see that I am in my expert mode right here. So I'm going to go around onto guided right here. And under fun edits right here, you can see that put a video inside your title is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, now it is asking me to add a media first. So I'm just going to go around and click on it and click on files and folders. And once I do that, I'm going to go around and bring in this footage, let's say for example, and click on open right here. Once I do that, it says drag it on to the video layer 1 right here. So I'm just going to go around and do that. And it is asking me to go to project assets right here. And it says go to the panel option and click on new item. And it says choose blank video right here. So you can see that this is what you have. It says drag and drop the blank video over here onto video 2 right here, just like this, and expand the duration. So let me just go around and expand the duration to the video right here and then click on next. So now next I need to go around onto title and text as it says right here, and now it says drag and drop the title from the list onto video 3 track just above the video 2 track, that is just above the black video right here. So once that is done, you can see that that is what you have. Expand the duration, it says right here, just like this. And then I need to go around right here and then do further. So now over here, now add in your own text. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say for example, I'm going to select this and type in TutorTube right here, just like this. Let me just select it out all right here and change out the options. So I'm just going to go around over here and select out a bolder text right here, just like this, or maybe this one right here, or let's say for example this one right here, just like this, and work around with it. So it says now add in your own text, double click the text box and so forth. So click on next right here, and okay, so it says try Arial. So let's just go around over here on the top and select out Arial right here. So you can see that that is what you have. Or maybe I'm going to go around, select out something else I like as well. So you can see that there's many different samples right here that you can choose from. So let's just go around and choose impact right here and click on next. So now I'm going to go around onto the effects section right here, and it says use the track matte key. So let's just go around over here, select the track matte key as it says right here. So let's just go around over here and let's use the track matte. Let's just go around and search track matte right here. So there's the track matte key under keying right here. So I'm just going to go around. It says keep it under the black video. So let's just go around over here, add it in the black video right here. So now from the matte drop down, I'm going to select layer 3 right here. So just like this, what is happening is that it is taking the black video and it is taking the alpha channel or the information from the first layer right here. So it says this one, and then it says use the reverse option right here, and then this is what you have. Click on next, and then you can see that this is the overall effect right here. If I were to press the play button, you can see the video right here. You can still go around onto the text right here. Let me just go around onto the text just like this, and then make further edits. So let's just go around over here and resize this out and resize this out right here, just like this. And then if I were to go around, so you can see that that is what you have. Now you can see that this is the overall effect right here. So I have successfully used the track matte key right here in order to go around and then simply cut out a hole on this black video so that I can see through the other video right here, just like this. So that is what you have. And if I were to go around onto the black video, you can see that this is how it looks. So that is how you can go around and then put a video inside title by using the guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.